Hey there, Dennis Hall with Learning Templates. We're going to cover in this video how to install the app for my Learning Templates LXP plugin on a laptop device, in this case a Windows device, and we're also going to cover how to install it on a mobile device. Furthermore, we'll then cover how to uninstall it. So let's go ahead and get started. So for anyone to install the app, they have to visit the website itself. And once they visit the website, when they log in, they'll be on the My Account page. Even if they're not logged in, they can still visit this and install the app. On a mobile device, the app will provide a pop-up initially. If they don't use the pop-up, then they can come to My Account later and install the app. Let's go ahead and install it on this Windows device. As soon as we install it, Windows will actually take the original browser and close the website and open the website in the app. So this is the app itself right here on this Windows computer. All right, so basically the app works. It does its job. Let's go ahead and let's close the app here. And what we'll see is there's the app icon on the desktop. That's going to remember the settings and all that. When the app is installed, what you will find is when you log in, you will find that number one, the app will load a online bar in the front end every time to let the learner know that they're online. You can see it down here. Okay, that's because this app is fully functional online or offline, with the exception of web-based videos. So videos from other websites that you might launch within the app. Beyond that, My Account will no longer show the Install App button. That's how you can sort of tell, and the fact that you see online. Let's go ahead and close the app, and we'll go ahead and we'll uninstall the app here on the Windows computer. So the app shows up. The app is going to show up in the Windows apps list, and in my case, the app will have the name of the website. So in this case, just uninstall, and what we'll do, we'll remove the app's data from Chrome. This is a PWA app, it's called, Progressive Web App. Okay, so there's that. Now let's go ahead and let's do the same on the mobile device. In this case, I'm using a Samsung phone, not trying to push product. We're going to visit the demo website, and when you first visit the demo website, if you've never installed the app, you will have a pop-up that'll show up. But I've installed and uninstalled and installed and uninstalled. So in this case, I will go to My Account, and we'll see Install App. When we install the app, it'll give a prompt, and the app will be installed. Now, it does take a little bit of time for this to show up. So to show up on a mobile device, when it does show up, it should end up on your desktop, or if there's no room on your desktop, it'll show up in your drawer, your app drawer. Now, it does take time. So let's go ahead and let's just close the app drawer for now, and we'll just mess around for a little bit here. And here, let's do this and see about trashing that. Good enough. Just to exercise anything on the cell phone. We'll check the app drawer again, and there's the LT demo site. Now, you saw the letter L in the black box on my Windows computer, and you now see a white icon with nothing in, or a white icon with nothing in it here. This is because I did not add a fave icon to my demo site. So what we'll do, we'll just whoops, did not want to do that. Let's go ahead and let's go back. There. Take this and drag it out. See if I can drag it out of the group. I'm not that proficient at this part of cell phones, by the way. Tell you what, let's, there, add to home, there. So it'll end up on my second screen, typical of Android devices. Whoop. Let's go, whoop. Let's go ahead and, okay, there. Let's drag the app to my main screen, and there we are. Now when I open the app on my Android device, it'll open up for the first time. And so if my Android device goes offline, once again, I can continue using this product. I can continue using this app. I am logged in, by the way. I can continue using the app even if I'm offline with my device. Even if I'm answering questions or doing anything in a quiz, it will save that quiz data offline and everything. All right, so that's it. Thank you. Oh, sorry, let's uninstall the app. I said I would do that. Let's go ahead and let's close the app and right-click, uninstall, or tap uninstall, I guess. And then it's always a good idea when you uninstall an app to go into the settings and just check as well in your apps, just to make sure, because again, there's this warm-up period and this cool down period that apps have to do on mobile devices. So if you take a look, and you still see it there, you can go ahead and you can uninstall it from here. It will over time uninstall itself, by the way. It's just sometimes they get sticky. So uninstall, and that'll force it to be uninstalled. And there we go. Now it's definitely not installed. And that's not to do with my product. It's the way mobile devices work. All right, thanks. Bye-bye.